Good morning, students. The topic for my today's presentation is incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance is also known as partial or semi-dominance. So, definition of incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance is when a dominant allele does not completely mask the effect of a recessive allele. So the organism resulting physical appearance show a blending of both the alleles. Now coming to this example, there are two flowers, that is, one is the red, and the red flower is controlled by a gene, and the alleles of that gene are capital R, and white are the small r and small r. So red is the dominant over the white, that is small r. So if we'll take the gametes from both the parents, and this is the example of a dog flower. You must have seen the dog flower, that is also known as the snapdragon. So if we will cross the red flower with the white flower, according to Mendel, what can be the results? According to Mendel, it should be red. R should be, R capital and small r should be F1 generation, it should be red, because R is dominant over recessive small r. So color of F1 generation should be red. But in case of incomplete dominance, what is the color? Color is pink. So when there is cross, and here you have to note that this cross is not in the pea plant, but this cross in the snapdragon or dog flower. So when the F1 was self pollinated, you can say this is the self pollinated F1. F1 is the all pink. Pink is capital R, small r, male and female gamete, capital R and small r. So when we will make combinations, what will be the F2 generation? In case of Mendel, in case of pea plant, it was, the ratio was of monohybrid cross 3:1. 3 were red and 1 should be white. But if you compare over here, what's going on in this case? 1 is pure red, 1 is pure white, and 2 are pink. So फिनोटिपिक रेशियो इज, एक फ्लावर जो है वो रेड दिख रहा है, एक वाइट दिखेगा और दो पिंक. और जीनोटिपिक रेशियो क्या होगी? 1:2:1. 1 प्योर, other 2 are hybrid, and 1 is the pure recessive, you can say pure recessive. So here what is the explanation for this thing? This is not a law of dominance. Here is the law of, you can say, incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance means 2 copies of each gene, that is, as a pair of allele in diploid organisms, these 2 alleles need not always be identical. As in heterozygotes, one of them may be different due to some change, and that it has undergo, which modify the information that particular allele contains. So according to their theoretically, the modified allele could be responsible for the production of the different color or pink color. In this slide you can see the snapdragon, you can see red flower, white flower, and the pink flowers. So then coming to the codominance, these are also known as the non-Mendelian, non-Mendel traits, because the law of Mendel's are not applied to these traits. What is codominance? Codominance, that neither allele can mask the expression of the other allele. मेंडल्स में क्या था, जैसे टॉलनेस लिया था, टॉल में क्या, टॉलनेस जीन के दो allele थे, कैपिटल टी और स्मॉल टी, कैपिटल टी फॉर टॉलनेस एंड द स्मॉल टी फॉर ड्वार्फनेस. यहाँ पे कैपिटल टी क्या करता था, स्मॉल टी को मास्क करता था, रिसेसिव को मास्क. बट हेयर क्या है, नीदर अलील कैन मास्क द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ द अदर अलील. दो एक जो है दूसरे के एक्सप्रेशन को मास्क नहीं करेगा, जो उसको शील्ड नहीं करेगा. सो कोडोमिनेंस की एग्जांपल है, दैट इज द ब्लड ग्रुप. हाउ मेनी ब्लड ग्रुप्स, दैट इज ए बी एंड ओ इन द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. सो till now we were discussing that F1 resemble either of the two parents. ठीक है, डोमिनेंस में. और इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस में हमें क्या पता चला कि जो F1 जनरेशन, मतलब जो फर्स्ट जनरेशन है, वो क्या है, इन बिटवीन देयर पेरेंट्स. फर्स्ट जो अपनी पेरेंटल से है उन बिटवीन होंगे, तो उनको हम क्या बोलेंगे, इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस. बट को डोमिनेंस में क्या है कि F1 जनरेशन जो है वो रिजेंबल करेगी बोथ पेरेंट्स. आई रिपीट, अभी तक जो हमने किया है वो फर्स्ट जो था उसमें हमने किया है जो लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस के अकॉर्डिंग, कि F1 जो है, जो फर्स्ट जनरेशन है, वो अगर दो पेरेंट्स को हम क्रॉस कर रहे हैं तो दोनों में से इधर दे आर प्योर डोमिनेंट और प्योर रिसेसिव. तो F1 जनरेशन जो है दोनों में से एक को, इधर ऑफ द टू पेरेंट्स, दोनों में से एक के साथ रिजेम्बलेंस होगी. इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस में हमने देखा है कि दे आर इन बिटवीन, जैसे वाइट और रेड के इन बिटवीन कौन सा फ्लावर था, पिंक कलर. तो दे वर इन बिटवीन, मतलब दोनों से रिजेंबल नहीं कर रहा, बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है, दैट इज द पिंक कलर. और को डोमिनेंस में क्या होना है, जो F1 जनरेशन है वो रिजेंबल बोथ पेरेंट्स. क्लियर, एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं हम, जैसे ब्लड ग्रुप मैंने बता दी है, दैट इज डिटर्मिन्ड बाय अ जीन and that gene is known as I, and I gene has how many alleles, 3 alleles, IA, IB, IO. So these alleles A and B, they are dominant over the O allele, that means the third allele. So O is the recessive. So now this coming to the combinations. In this table you can see a table showing the genetic basis of blood groups in the human population. Now allele from parent 1, suppose this is gene A and allele is, gene I and allele is capital A. Allele from the parent second is again A, and what is the genotype of offspring, both the parents. ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब बोथ द पेरेंट्स मीन्स आई ए एंड व्हाट विल बी द ब्लड टाइप विल बी ए, कैपिटल ए. सिमिलरली ए एंड सेकंड पेरेंट से क्या है, बी, तो ब्लड टाइप क्या होएगी, ए बी, राइट. एंड थर्ड वन इज द, एक पेरेंट से ए, दूसरे से क्या है, अगर आई के ऊपर कुछ नहीं तो इसको वी कैन से ओ मार्क कर सकते हैं हम, ओ. यहाँ इमेजिन आई के ऊपर ओ ले रहे हो आप, तो IAIO मीन्स 0 उसको लेके चले जाओ, तो आपका मतलब ये क्या होया आपका A. एंड IA एंड IB अगेन इज अ ब्लड ग्रुप AB. IB and IB will be homozygous B, and IB and IO, then again the blood group will be B. Small I and small I, that means blood group will the O. So this is the homozygous, you can say this is homozygous recessive. So these are the combinations, and here we can say the out of 3 allele A, B and O, if there is A from one parent and A from the other parent, what will be the blood group? Blood group will be A, right? And similarly, if A from one parent and B from other parent, what will the blood group of offspring? A and B. And A and B will be expressing, both will express in the F1 generations. So then coming to the inheritance of two genes. Till now we were working on the one gene only, and the two genes means Mendel also worked with the crossed pea plants that different in characteristics, differed in two characteristics. That means he crossed the plants by taking the टू कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स एट ए टाइम. पहले मेंडल ने जितने भी क्रॉसेस किए हैं उसमें क्या लिया है, जैसे फ्लावर का कलर कौन सा लिया था, पर्पल एंड वाइट. टॉलनेस ली थी स्टेम की, टॉल एंड वाफ. या सीड लिया था, सीड वाज ओनली द that was wrinkled and smooth. But here he has taken two characteristics at a time, and what he have seen, he have taken the green and round shape of he have seen that the yellow color was dominant over green color, right? And round shape was dominant over wrinkle. So he has given this cross in parent generation. What was the seed was round yellow. So round is capital R, yellow is capital Y. So round yellow is dominant over the wrinkled green. Wrinkled is small r, and green is the small y and small y. Now take the gametes are Y and of recessive wrinkled small r small y. When we cross the gametes, what will the F1 generation? F1 generation will round and yellow. Round R is dominant over the small r, and Y is yellow is dominant over small y, that is the green color. Then they have done the selfing. In self pollination, what they have done, there were 4 combinations. In the next generation, in the F2 generation, you can see what will the ratio, 9:3:3:1. See, from the gamete, that is female, and on the my right hand side, these are the gametes of male. Here you can see RY, if we will cross with the RY, both will give you capital R capital Y R and capital Y capital Y. Capital R क्या है? Capital R is the yellow, capital R is the round shape, and capital Y is the yellow. So this seed will be yellow and round, right? Similarly, R capital, R small, Y capital, Y capital, Y capital, Y capital means what is the shape? Shape will be round, and color will be yellow. And you cross, you make your table at your own and see what are 9. Count the 9. 9 1 are the yellow and round. What are the 3? 3 are yellow and wrinkled. What are other 3? They are round and green, right? Round and green. And what will the 1 is the wrinkled and green, right? 9 is round yellow, 3 is round green, 3 is wrinkled yellow, and 1 is wrinkled green. So this is a dihybrid cross also, this is known as. And here he has taken the 2 characteristics. 2 parents differed in 2 pairs of contrasting traits. कौन से traits उसने लिए थे contrast वाले? Contrasting seed color and seed shape. So this was his results. So this is known as the law of independent assortment. In law of independent assortment, in the dihybrid cross, क्या है? The phenotype. फिजिकली कैसे दिखते हैं? राउंड येलो, रिंकल्ड येलो, round green and wrinkled. Green appears in the ratio 9:3:3:1. Such a ratio was observed in several pairs of characters that Mendel studied, right? And he derived as a combination of yellow, 3 yellow, 1 green with 1 round, 1 wrinkled. And this observation can written, क्या और ऑब्जर्वेशन थी जो अभी हमने देखा है? तो बेस्ड ऑन सच ऑब्जर्वेशन दैट इज दिस इज नोन एज द डाइहाइब्रिड क्रॉस बिटवीन प्लांट्स डिफरिंग इन टू traits. Mendel proposed a second set of generalization that we call Mendel's law of independent assortment. The law states that when two pairs of traits are combined in a hybrid, segregation of one pair is characteristic independent of the other pair of the characteristic. So in this presentation, students, you have seen that the Mendel has given some laws, and there are some points that is not familiar with the Mendel. So for further query, you can call me up anytime. Thank you very much.